Aloha, this is Min Young. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, and welcome to Canterbury. Canterbury was built in 1978. The owner occupancy for this building is pretty high. There are 4 to 5 units per floor, depending on the floor level. It is across the street from Hilton Hawaiian Village and Port Dorsey Park. It is close to world-famous beaches, shopping, and dining. This unit has 1 bedroom, then 1 bath, and 2 lanais. This is only 1 bedroom in the entire building with 2 parking stalls. Some of the units in this building are leasehold, but this unit is fee simple. This stunning modern masterpiece is move-in ready and 1 floor under the penthouse. Approximately 816 square feet of the living space, approximately 338 square feet of lanai, so total approximately 1154 square feet. And this is the first lanai. As you see, it wraps around the unit and offers amazing panoramic views of the ocean, Alawai Canal, Diamond Head Mountains, and the Waikiki city lights. This living room is facing the east, so it offers a beautiful morning sunrise. This is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee. This is the kitchen. This interior has been completely remodeled. The top is covered with koa wood, customized refrigerator. So as you come to the kitchen, these are all custom made. This is a washer and a dryer, pretty spacious sink, convection oven, and microwave hood, and a Bosch dishwasher. There are marble countertops, and new floorings are done throughout the entire unit. The bedroom has plantation shutter style windows. They're able to block out a lot of light. I like the room because it has an island themed wall color. There's a spacious sink and a closet. There's a walk-in shower, which makes it easy to get in and out without much difficulty. You can see the outside when you take a shower through the porthole window. This is the den, which can be used as a second bedroom or home office. There's a second lanai behind the plantation shutter windows. It has an interesting way to open. You will have to close all the shutters to open the lanai door. It is like a puzzle. From the second lanai, you can see the city, mountains, and the sunset. There's also a little peekaboo view of Ala Moana Beach. The amenities are on the 7th floor and the ground floor. On the ground floor, there's a water fountain and a koi fish pond right off the open air lobby. There's also security 24/7 at Canterbury. On the 7th floor, there's a swimming pool, hot tub, tennis court, barbecue, party room with a kitchen. There's also sauna. Okay, so that's pretty much what I got for today. For the price and the maintenance fee, please see the description below. To search all Oahu properties, please visit min808.com or contact me at minyonghawaii@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Mahalo.